In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails in Zendesk. Whether you're new to Zendesk or just looking to streamline your email workflow, this tutorial walks you through the process step by step to ensure you can manage your emails efficiently. To start, you'll want to open Zendesk and head over to the Workspaces section. This is where all the magic happens, as it's your control center for managing tickets and communications. Once you're in Workspaces, look for the Agent Interface option. Clicking on it will bring you to the next crucial step in the setup. Now, within the agent interface, navigate to the email forwarding section. This is a vital feature that allows Zendesk to route incoming emails to external systems seamlessly. Here, you'll want to enable email forwarding. This setting ensures that emails can be redirected to the necessary destinations without manual intervention. Next, highlight the email forwarding feature. This is just a visual cue that underscores your current action and keeps you on track, especially if you're multitasking. With your email forwarding enabled, proceed by clicking on Channels. Channels are integral to Zendesk as they represent the different pathways through which customer inquiries come in, and they're essential for ensuring you're able to connect every incoming email to the appropriate responses or systems. In Channels, focus on selecting email. This directs your admin settings toward managing email-specific tasks, a crucial step when setting up forwarding options. Now, you'll need to connect an external email address. This step is key because it involves linking an outside email address where you want Zendesk to forward your messages. Select Connect External Address to begin this process. You'll be prompted to choose your method. This allows you to specify how emails should be directed or processed. Select Email Forwarding from the available options. After selecting Email Forwarding, it's time to enter the forwarding address. This is a required field. Be precise to avoid misdirection of emails. Once that's done, click on Next to continue. At this point, turn your attention to the Sample Email option. This represents a test or mock-up that ensures everything is set up correctly. By staying on the ticket and selecting Stay on Ticket, you maintain context around your work and avoid losing track of ongoing processes. Next, highlight crucial sections to review. Doing so allows you to quickly verify key elements of your setup before finalizing. Finally, click on Open. This command typically refreshes or executes changes within the interface, ensuring your settings are applied. If you want to add recipients for email updates, find and click the CC option. This feature allows you to include additional people who need to be in the loop on communications. Type in any necessary information you see highlighted in your setup interface to complete this configuration. Conclude the process by clicking on Submit as Open. This action saves your changes, locking in your email forwarding configuration within Zendesk. And there you have it, a complete setup for forwarding emails in Zendesk. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage email traffic, keeping your customer service streamlined and responsive. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.